My 1982 Datsun 210 is ready to be picked up. It spent most of November 2022 here at All American Auto Worx. My 40-year-old car looked pretty darn sweet in the late afternoon sunlight with new tires on freshly painted rims. From a distance, and if you squinted your eyes just a little bit, it looked almost new again. At least to me. For now, the driver's side is the one to focus on. The passenger side still needs a lot of work, and that will probably have to wait until springtime.
All American?
Bodywork or even mechanical jobs are no fun for me when it's cold outside. Working on this car is definitely a summertime project. All American Auto Worx is owned by Matt. He's the person responsible for me being able to drive this home for the first time in 27 years. He was able to figure out the brakes, install the new tires, flush the automatic transmission, change the filter inside the transmission, then add fluid. He also put on some new shocks in the back and new struts up front. His shop is near Blue Ash, which is a suburb of Cincinnati, and he's worked on my entire family's cars for years. I recommend him to all my friends, or anyone looking for quality work from an honest and very skilled mechanic. I also forgot to mention that the 210 has no muffler right now, so it's really loud. The exhaust is dumping out right beneath the floor-mounted shifter, so the fumes are pretty strong too. That's a bonus. But it's a nice day, so I'll drive home with all the windows rolled down and hopefully not lose too many brain cells. That little bell chime was going off the entire time too, because the door wouldn't completely shut. But 20 minutes later, I had made it. I parked it in my mom's garage in 1995, and this is the first time it's ever pulled into the driveway of our current home. So this is kind of a big deal.
So, what do you think? So, what do you think?
It's noisy.
Yeah, but yeah.
And that door chime was going off the whole time on the way home.
This is what the Datsun looks like now, and this is how we looked 40 years ago. If you feel like leaving a comment, please be kind. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.